Kibar associations hakaleng kamikhalia hakasngi palay kilapenlong ya karali bendawa pha eno kam ni ban weng no ya Amit Kumar kumu advocate general kachela daga bakno bakarukum le patrukum pensngo ko chong u hagaportian bishar kalong kumba khenpo ya kilong ya sat an Hawyakran batkilat pathai kubor u senior advocate u Kishore Chan Gautam ulaong Bagani jingiakhih kamdai tang jong ka Shillong Bar Association but ka High Court of Meghalaya Bar Association hindi klayo ya jingkershan nagi kinhon jong kinang yasad an ki badan hakeleng jong ka jalla Kani jingiakhih kalami hadian ba kaladon jingkeno ba u advocate general ulakran hapo jingtian bishar haka bayadai bat jingsngan jugi kenthai hakibar Ugotam ulong baka general body meeting jong bar associations da ka wei ka sur kalarai ban pha da ka jingtho show mentri rangba ka jala ukonat ke sangma ban kerpat ban weng kam mardor ya Kumar
Amit Kumar!
Adopted a resolution wherein the Shillong Bar Association and the High Court Bar Association have been vested with the power to decide the future course of action. So today we decided on this rally. If nothing transpires, we also will be meeting the governor after some time to submit a memorandum for the removal of Mr. Amit Kumar. If nothing transpires, then definitely we'll go on further. I'll explain that. We are an association. We have the power to remove our members. But as an advocate general, he is appointed by the government. Only the government can remove him. It's the governor who appoints him, but it's the ruling dispensation who appoints the advocate general. But as far as removing him from the bar association is concerned, that we can do, that we have done. They are not members of the bar also. Depriving our own members, our lawyers, local lawyers from here of opportunities. Not only that, he has also appointed his own son to represent the state of Meghalaya in the Supreme Court. And we have come to learn that there are other anomalies also. We have filed RTIs about a lot of other things. See, the amount of money which is also spent on, not only on Mr. Amit Kumar, but also on this outstation lawyers is huge. It's very huge for a small state like us. And in the last press conference, I also had reiterated the same thing. It's not that we had such matters over here that our lawyers cannot defend. We have great seniors in Shillong. We have been here. In fact, the Shillong Bar Association is one of the oldest bar associations in the country. It was established in the year 113. So there is no dearth of talent in the state. For whatever reasons, the Honorable Chief Minister in the ruling dispensation wants to have Mr. Amit Kumar. That is known to them. But we once again reiterate our demand. We do not want Mr. Amit Kumar to be our advocate.